This video is going to look at how to work out fractions of whole numbers. Our first calculation, which you can see here, is 1/2 of 12. Now, to solve this, we can use a visual representation, and that's going to look like this. We draw a circle, and we're going to split it into half. Colour in 1/2, just roughly, so that we get the idea. Half of our shape is coloured. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split 12 equally between the two halves. We do that like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've now split 12 equally between the two halves. And because I'm only interested in 1/2, as we can see here, 1/2, 1 out of a possible 2, I'm going to be only interested in 1/2 for finding my answer, which is why I've coloured 1/2 here. So my answer is 6, because you can see there are 6 in this half. I can use this method for quarters as well. This time, draw my circle and I'm going to split it into quarters. It's only rough, they're not exact, and because I'm only looking for 1 out of 4, I'm going to colour 1 out of 4, just to remind myself that that's the quarter, that's the part of the diagram that I'm interested in, and then I split my 12 equally, much the same as I did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I look into my section that I've shaded in, and I can see that my answer is 3. For thirds, 1/3, the model looks slightly different. Stick with 12 here. And this time when I draw my diagram, I'm going to draw it as a bar. That's only, I can draw it as a circle, it really makes no difference, it's just a lot easier to draw a bar and split it into 3. Colour 1/3, because I'm only interested in 1/3, and then again, same as before, just split them equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This time my answer is 4. Now, this method works brilliantly when we're looking for 1 as our numerator. That's the number that's on top here. We've got 1 for each of our numerators there and a different denominator. But it can also work if we've got a different numerator here. I'll show you what I mean. What I've got here is 2/3, 2/3 of 12. Now this time I'm going to be interested in 2 of my boxes, not just one of them. So I'm going to shade 2 of them. And then I do exactly the same as before. I'm going to split my 12 equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then this time, because I'm after 2 out of 3, which you can see here I've shaded 2 out of 3, I can now look in these 2 boxes and count up my total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that gives me my answer, 8. Works the same for all other fractions as well. In this example, I am now going to look at 3/4, 3 out of a possible 4 of 12. Here's my diagram, and I've shaded 3 out of a total of 4. I've shaded 3/4. I'm going to split my 12 up equally, as you can see here, and this time I'm going to count up my total starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that gives me my answer, 9. So 3/4 of 12 is 9. That's the method that you should use for working out any fraction of a whole number.